Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be filming a what we eat in a day Brian's birthday edition. He's at work right now. If it's not for COVID, we'll probably be on vacation somewhere in Korea, somewhere in Seoul, eating some good food, or booking a staycation in London. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Although we're slowly easing out of lockdown, it is still a weekday, so I want to make it extra special at home tonight. On tonight's menu, we'll be having a 3-course Italian meal, which I'll discuss more next. But for his birthday cake, although we have already made him his favorite lemon bars and Biscoff cheesecake, I'll be making him a very airy, creamy sponge cake that you normally get from an Asian bakery. This is what he's craving, so that's what I'll be making. I do have lots to prep. I have to write the birthday card. I want to do a very last minute tablescape on the kitchen island tonight. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get started. Right, so now that the cake is in the oven, I have the fancy 3-course Italian meal to plan. Well, I have a secret assistant, which is called the pasta evangelist. I feel like during lockdown, a lot of these little food delivery companies really went into bloom, which I'm so excited for. We didn't try too much because we normally try to stick to home-cooked meal. So we tried honest burgers. We actually ordered Hakkasan set for dinner tonight. However, it wasn't going to deliver on time, so we're actually going to have it tomorrow instead. So for tonight, we have Pasta Evangelist, which I think is more of a pasta subscription service. But we actually don't eat that much pasta. We normally cook more like Asian Oriental meals. I ordered 3 different pasta, the salami dish, and a little tiny tiramisu. So I'm gonna look over all of these materials. What are the instructions in terms of prepping the food? Shouldn't be too difficult, but I really want to plate it nicely. On top of that, I also have to write Brian's birthday card. How cute is this? I got it off Etsy. We're kind of known to be the household with 4 cats. That's kind of how our neighbor introduced us to new neighbors. I've been collecting like different cats greeting cards. So all the thank you cards, birthday cards are all cat related. Anyways, I'm going to do my research and get going. So I just got the card written and I kind of had some fun with styling the kitchen island. Let me show you guys. This is where he will come home to. Usually comes through the utility room, and that is the birthday card. Sorry, my cats are like screaming. But yeah, I've layered the kitchen island with this curtain from IKEA. I feel like it really gives it a more nice, unique texture to it. The cake is still cooling, so it's not iced yet. Otherwise, we have plates for the pasta, a marble serving dish for the salami. I also layered some of the plates, took out the wine glasses. We don't really drink, but just for celebration sake. We also got a lamp here and a candle here because hopefully it will be a little bit darker tonight. I've also have some music ready. I was just feeling a little bit peckish and I remembered that this arrived today. I ordered it for myself because I just feel like this little box is such a cute little keepsake. I feel like it would be great to put seedling packets in. I also ordered one for my friend because apparently it is National Gardening Week. I already opened it just to have a peek, but I think I'm gonna have a little biscuit right now. Got a little tomato, I think, onion, and an asparagus. So cute. I'm going to have one right now with my tea. One of your 5 greens a day or something? I don't know. Right, time to ice the cake. I just cut the cakes in 3 layers. I'm definitely really bad at leveling the cakes. but I'm going to whip up some cream. The thing is, I hope I have enough cream because I completely forgot about the cream for this cake, and now I have only like 200 ml heavy cream left. Okay, so I got the cake ready. This is my first time using this pro cake turntable thing. I love the idea of cake decorating, but I actually never practiced or got into it. So this is actually my first time. So the idea is to glaze it with simple syrup, layer with cream, and because I don't know if I have enough cream, I'm just gonna layer the inside and the top first, kind of creating like a naked cake effect. And then if I have enough, then I'm just gonna go around. Not the best, but it should taste pretty good. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge and prep dinner. I just got changed. Now I have to plate the salami, feed the cats, and get ready for the cooking. So I just put the black truffle mac and cheese into the oven for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to start making this beef and black truffle tortelloni with a truffle butter sauce. It is 6:09, I think, and it's all set. I'm going to place these dishes back into the oven for the dish warmer mode, so it's kept warm. I'm literally stalking the window to see when he's gonna come back and park, but it looks so cute when he comes in. You'll see the cake. This is the beef and black truffle tortelloni with a black truffle butter sauce. We obviously have the cheese sheets here. This is just a normal salad. We have a plate of salami with crackers, and then this is black truffle mac and cheese, and then this one is, I should really start remembering this, the paradella with a wild mushroom sauce. I'm gonna take some photos and he should be back in a moment. He's back. Happy birthday!
Thanks, baby. Welcome to why are you at work today? It's your birthday. I'm gonna earn money.
He's reading my card. But yeah, this is what we're having tonight. I think I already mentioned it just now. So we're going to eat now. Bon appetit! Happy birthday, Happy!
Thank you, wifey.
It is safe to say that pasta box was delish. I prepped it pretty early because I want everything to be ready to surprise him. Brian really thoroughly enjoyed it. I think he likes that black truffle mac and cheese a lot. What he doesn't know is that we have another meal tomorrow. So I'll see if I'm gonna get him in to kind of wrap up today's video. Otherwise, we're gonna have this cake and I'll see you when we prep for tomorrow's meal.
Thank you, baby. I love you. Thank you for the food. Thank you for cooking.
Do you enjoy the pasta?
It's good.
Would you order it again? Which one do you like the most?
I like the one with the chilled pasta with the truffle more.
The mac and cheese, the black truffle
Mac and cheese, yes. That one is very good.
Do you like my cake?
It's lovely.
Do you like the surprise?
I did, yeah.
That's it then.
Thank you. Happy birthday to me.
Anyways, you guys, I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the what we ate today, Brian's birthday edition. And I guess we shall see you guys in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye. It is the next day. The Hakkasan food kit arrived. It is humongous in this really nice big box. I'm just going to open it now. Brian also received some crosstown donuts and cookies. It's just standing here. I'm feeling really good right now. I opened it. It looks so good, but it is his. So I'm gonna wait till he comes back to enjoy it. Otherwise, wow. Oh wow. I realized actually yesterday's video is quite long, so perhaps in today's video I'm just going to skim through. But I'm going to unbox everything first. Wow, check this out, you guys. This is so elaborate. I've never ordered or have anything like this. I'm so excited. As you can see, this is the occasions by Hakkasan. Contains everything you need to recreate Hakkasan's iconic dishes. I've actually never been to Hakkasan before. That's their kind of like menu for tonight. They also have 2 sets of menu printed out, you know, when you go to like fancy restaurants and order those set dinners. That's what they have in front of you. We have chopsticks, we have dim sum, we have this little cute steam basket, I think. They even came with their own incense. I don't think Brian is a huge incense fan, but how cool is this? I'm going to have a read of how to prepare everything, and I shall see you guys when dinner's ready. And dinner is served. This is our setup. Ah.